In this video, I'll show you how to reset color settings in Windows 11. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Minimize this, right? Click on your start bar, click on your settings. Once I've clicked on it, wait for it to load up, right? Once it has opened up, click on this personalization, right? From these personalizations, you're gonna see the colors here, right? Click on the colors. And if you wanna reset the color settings here in your Windows, you can do that here, right? So at first, the very first thing is you changing it from the light to dark mode, right? So you can see everything is currently in the dark mode, right? If you love to reset the color settings, you can switch it to light. Then when it comes to the accent colors, you can, okay, the transparency effect, you can switch this on or off, right? It can be on, it can be off, right? It's on. So for the accent colors, you can come on here, you can select automatic on one, all right. Then for the Windows color, you can look right here. This is currently appearing blue, right? This is the blue color. So if I click on the yellow, I'm gonna change the Windows color, right? So it is currently yellow. I can just switch it back to blue. So yeah, these are some other settings. You can just come on here, you can adjust them, the contrast settings and all. If you found this video helpful, share this video in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next